This is Code.org. Let's see what we have here. I would like for my favorites list to only contain 5 songs. Oh, this is a good point. Let me hit run and show you what they mean. So let me go over a few, and I'm going to hit insert, insert. Obviously that text is too big, but that's fine. Now let's take a look here. Favorites.length. Currently I have 2 items in it, but look, I can make this keep going up. I can keep adding stuff, but we're only ever going to display 10. So we should set a spot where we prevent that from happening. We're not going to be needing to see that many. So create a condition, show me where, right here, yep, where we're going to have this if-else condition with an if-else expression that evaluates if the length of the favorites list is greater than 5. Okay, so we want to do an if favorites.length is greater than 5. And then we're also, notice they say an if else, so we're going to have an else here. But if favorites.length is greater than 5, what do they want us to do? We want to go ahead and remove the item. Remove item, and then what item are we going to remove? So our favorites is the list name. And then the item that we are going to remove the last entry. So we always know this list is going to be less than 5, so we could always say we could actually do this, because if it's greater than 5 in length, the 5th index is the last index. However, to be super safe, we should do favorites.length minus 1. And that will always be the last item in the list, because remember, length goes up by 1 each time, but indexes start at 0. Now, something I don't like about this, within the condition, use the remove item to remove the last entry. Yes. However, they say they have an if-else condition that they expect here, but it doesn't give me something for my else. So I'm actually going to kill that off. One option would be to put insert, but it's not actually providing that. So let's go ahead and test as is. And boop, boop, boop. I'm going to do the same thing here. 3, 4, 5, and it should never get bigger. And we can even see, they start adding other stuff. Yep, it's never going to get bigger because it's killing stuff off at the end. Cool. Onward.